Hey, welcome back once again, passive income investors. Passive income Tom bringing another show this Friday. Today I'm talking about what I earned for the passive income for the month of December. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. All right, welcome back. It's another exciting show today. Today I'm talking about what I earned for passive income in terms of dividend stocks, real estate, and writing. December wasn't my best month, but it was still a pretty good month. I still did very well. I'll go into detail, talk about two new stocks I picked up, and go into some more detail because it's going to be a big deal when this thing comes out. Because, as you know, things going on in the Middle East, it's causing a lot of things going on, and one of the stocks I bought could blow up because of that. So we'll find out more. All right, I want to go over talk about the two new stocks, what I did for dividends, real estate, and for writing. All right, the first one I bought up. This is one I really want to talk about: Occidental Petroleum Corporation, OXY. All right, Occidental Petroleum is oil and gas stock. Is doing very well because everything on in the Middle East. Every time something goes on in the Middle East, oil prices for us, gas prices goes a lot, meaning oil is going to go up as well. And because of that, I'm expecting this one could take off a little bit more as I'm going over this right now. So I'm shooting this Thursday night, and so this will be pretty interesting to see what happens. Finance came out January 2nd. U.S. oil deal hits a 5-year high in 2019 with Occidental, Blockbuster, Anarco. Okay, U.S. oil deals hit 5-year high in 2019 as Occidental, Blockbuster, and Arco buy. The value of U.S. gas material. The value of U.S. oil, gas, and mergers acquisition reached a 5-year peak in $96 billion in 2019 on the back of the competing bids for Anadarko Petroleum Energy Data Provider, and as I said on Thursday. Occidental Petroleum Corp. $38 billion acquisition of petroleum rival Anadarko countered a pullback in corporate deal-making in the sector, driven by investor pressure to prioritize shareholder returns over growth. Occidental last year won a temporary battle with Anadarko, topping Chevron's core after Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett, and Francis came to its aid. Without the acquisition, total value of the deals in 2019 would have been $39 billion, well below its $85 billion recorded in 2018. Data provider valued Anadarko deal at $57 billion. Investors funded the shale revolution over the last decade have been vocal in advocating for payoffs, cutback, and providing new capital. That flowed through limited M&A and a negative reaction to deals for much of the year. Last year's marquee deal focused on the Permian Basin of Texas and New Mexico, which is at the heart of the shale boom that has helped the United States become the world's biggest. All right. So this could be a very good deal right now, just with everything going on, because oil is going to stay up for quite some time, and I'm going to enjoy the dividends that are coming because of this. So I just bought on the 3rd last month. I bought 25 shares for $38. And the next one I bought was Xerox. Everybody knows Xerox. Well-known company, been around for a while, like one of the dinosaurs. I just bought 5 shares on the 23rd for $36.93. Excuse me, I'm sorry, $37.44 when it was executed. All right, now we're going to jump into the meat of this. What I earned for dividends, real estate, and writing this past month. Because of the stocks I bought, up to one stock. I did drop a stock. So still total of 22 stocks and 3 rentals. And so for December's passive income, Ares Capital Core had a pretty good month. Dividend 9.24%, 485 shares, bringing a total of $255.87. ICANN Enterprise LP IEP, dividend of 11.10%, 7 shares, bringing in $14. Pennsylvania Real Estate Investment Trust, PEI, dividend 13.53%, 809 shares, bringing in $181.87. Tekla World Healthcare Fund, THW, dividend 10.92%, 40 shares, bringing in $4.67. This one is a monthly dividend. Washington Prime Group, WPG, 24.10% dividend, 200 shares, bringing $50. So for a grand total of $506.41. So it wasn't my best month for dividends, since the previous month, as you see down below, was $839 last month. But December was not my best month. I did buy some shares. I didn't really highlight in this video, but I'm gonna highlight in the next video because because these months covers March, June, September, December. These are not my best months for dividends, but so I'm trying to up that up, trying to get a little bit higher. Some of my other months, as you saw, previous month, $839. There's a $30 gap right there. I'm trying to get close to that and try to be pretty consistent evenly with all my dividends. And real estate did very well, bringing in $987.25. Last month was $1,041.75. This past month, my one of my rental properties, they do some testing on one of the on the heat system, and then that cost a little bit of money because they had the contractor come out, do those little checks. So it cost me a little bit extra money, but hey, it's a tax write-off for me. I don't really care because that's always going to work in my favor in the long run. And writing continued to hold its own. $53.61 for this past month. Pretty even with the previous month, just about $55.50. So not too far off, but I'm trying to work on it. It seems like this platform, the payout's getting a little bit lower because I'm putting in a lot of views, getting a lot of views on my writing, but the payout's not been as high as it has been in the past. So I'm still looking for other options to replace this, but for now, I'm just going to go with this as it is. Anything with passive income, it's a whole lot of balance, detail, a lot of skill and effort goes into everything with passive income. I mentioned this last month in the last month's video. So if you're not familiar, every time I hit a mark, a $5 mark or pretty close to it, I'm going to take off one of these keys and show you, because this is what I really want to earn for passive income monthly, $15,000 in passive income. So I'm just shy of 2,000 for this month. So 1,747 for this past month out of $15,000 goal. So I'm just short $13,000, $252.75. And so it's just 12% of my goal. But I have a plan to work this and kick it up even higher in the near future. So if you don't have a passive income goal, you should really figure out what your passive income goal is. I know a lot of people involved with passive income, but you've really got to get focused and figure out what you want to earn from passive income. All right. Passive income is great, but you've got to have that dollar figure because that's what you're aiming for. That's what your goal is every time. So if you're just investing just because for the heck of it, you're losing focus. You don't really have a good focus. You don't have a good game plan because you're in this for a reason, right? So what is your reason for investing in passive income? Figure out what your game plan is, what your dollar figure is, and come out with it. Let everybody know, hey, this is my game plan. This is what I'm shooting for. Yes, it's great to own Apple, Exxon, or all these other companies, but how much do you want to earn for passive income? That's what everybody wants to know, because that's your goal, and you got to really come out with it. I want you to come out with it. Let people know what your passive income goal is. Yes, you may not have a huge goal like I do, but I have a like a 10x goal, as Grant Cardone always says. You've got to 10x what your goal is. Just 10x what that may be, because if you're shooting just for maybe 1,000 a month, yes, you may hit 1,000, but then once you hit that, you're gonna be really stuck there. You have so much more potential after that. So aim higher, 10x whatever your current goal is, and let me see what it is. If you know what it is, drop it below what your passive income goal is. Hey, this Sunday I'm gonna drop another video. This one I think you're really gonna like as well. So stay tuned and come back again this Sunday for the follow-up to this video. But if you haven't already, like this video, subscribe, click the bell for notification. And I'll see you again. Have a great day.